B, force on charge Q. Force on charge Q is Q into E. They are so close that force at this point is QE and force at this point is also QE. The force is not changing. If the force is changing, I cannot apply the formula force into displacement because force keeps on changing. There is not a unit value. We are permitted to use the formula work is equal to force into displacement till force remain uniform. If the force is changing, then our formula will change that you have studied in previous class. Then it will be integration of FDS. We have to take
what he has said. इसने क्या बताया आपको?
सर कि हमारा जो फोर्स है वो चेंज हो रहा है, कांस्टेंट नहीं रह रहा.
हाँ, ये पॉइंट अभी तक आपने डिस्कस किया था नहीं, क्योंकि हमारे पास जो है डिस्प्लेसमेंट था, बट फोर्स वाज कांस्टेंट ऑन एवरी मोमेंट. ओके, बट इन दिस केस force is varying over here. Okay, now you have to concentrate on this. Okay,
yes, calculus. So here these are so close that I understand that electric field do not change from this place to this place, and it is almost same. In that case, force will be Q into E here, Q into E here. Now how much is the work done from B to A? This is important. From B to A. If I am doing work from B to A, then what I can calculate? I can calculate potential at A minus potential at V, which I will call dV, or which I will simply write V. And I can write it VAB. VAB means from B to A, VA minus VB, that is dV. Okay, this is equal to what? Work done from B to A. Work done to A from B divided by charge Q. Now this work done is force into displacement. Force is Q into E. Displacement is dl, and the direction is opposite to it. See, I will write it this way. Work done is force into displacement into cos theta, this, upon Q. Here I am taking it from this point to this point, so cos 180. See, what is the direction of force? Direction of force is direction of E. Force is, yes, direction of force is direction of E. This. Displacement direction dl, B to A. This. So this direction of force and direction of displacement are opposite to each other. If they are opposite to each other, the angle between them is 180 degree. If it is 180 degree, then cos 180 is equal to minus 1. That minus 1 will appear here. So this will be F dl into minus 1 upon Q. And how much is the F? Q into E dl upon Q. So, right, so this is minus E dl. It is length of the path. Length of the path, more popular notation for length of the path is dr. So we can always write it dr. We can differentiate them also. So this is minus E dr. Right. Now, what is this calculation?
you must write it down. आप लिखोगे नहीं तो आपको आएगा नहीं.
जी सर.
ये बिल्कुल माइन्यूट बातें हैं जो आपको अभी बताई जा रही है. लिख लिया?
No, sir.
For dv. So now we can sum it up. dv is equal to minus e dr. Okay, this is dv. Or if you take this dr here, this will be dv minus dv upon dr is equal to minus e, or e is equal to minus dv by dr.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
बिल्कुल कंफर्टेबल है यहाँ तक?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, sir.
कंटिन्यू. वॉल्टर,
हाँ सर.
हो गया?
हाँ सर, हो गया.
This is a very famous formula, that relation between potential difference and electric field is E is equal to minus dV upon dr. This. Now suppose there is a small variation, special case. In case I am not taking from B to A in this line, I am taking it in this line, this way, and this path is making angle theta with it. Then what will be the work done? Answer is, this dl, I will not take this as dl. What I will do? I will divide it into two components this way. This component, this is theta. Okay, this is theta. Now, if this is theta and this is theta, I will make it large one, this. Here, this angle is theta, this is dl, this is direction of the force. How much displacement I have done opposite to the force? Answer, from this point to this point. Though I have traveled this long distance, but this is not against the force. Against the force, only this much. And how is this only this much? Answer is, if this is theta, then this is theta. If this is dl, this is theta, then according to trigonometry, this length is dl cos theta. dl cos theta. This is the distance, and now what should I multiply with the force? Force into dl cos theta. And this dl cos theta I have to put here at this place, dl cos theta. So everywhere we will put it as dl cos theta, and if this I take as dr, then this will be what? dr cos theta. In this particular case, in the earlier case, I have taken it that force was in this direction and I traveled in this direction in the straight line. In case the point direction and the force direction are not along each other and there is an angle between the two, theta, then the component we have to take is cos theta. So in that case, this formula will be, this is E dr cos theta, this, and that will come here cos theta, and that will figure here cos theta. So here we have the modified formula, E cos theta is equal to dv by dr. This. Sometimes it is asked, what is the significance of this minus? While E is plus, change in potential is minus. That shows electric field has got this particular direction. In this direction, if we go, the potential will go on decreasing. This is the direction of E, and in this direction potential difference is decreasing. If here potential is 100, here potential will be 90, here potential will be 80, here potential will be 70. This is direction of E, and what is happening to potential? Potential decreases. That is why this sign minus is here. This significance, because it is asked in examination, sometimes I will write it for you. Okay, so this is significance of this, and this is the relation. This is a very famous relation, you must remember. If E is given to us, dr is given to us, we can always find out dV. If V, potential difference, and R is given to us, we can always find out E. These are the 2 points, 2 plates which have got potential difference is equal to 100 volt, and the distance between them is 10 meter. What is the electric field here? Answer is electric field is dV upon dr. This is dV and this is dr, and our answer is 10. And what will be the unit for E? This is volt and this is meter. Volt per meter. So now on, for electric field we have another unit, that is volt per meter. How to calculate it? Voltage and distance between the two. Now if it is given to you that these are the two
इसको आपको नोट डाउन करना है.
नहीं सर कर लिया.
कर लिया.
शाबाश.
points, these are the 2 points. In this, electric field strength is 20 units. This distance is 10 units. What is the potential difference between the two? This is what? dr. This is what? Electric field. What we are supposed to find out? Potential difference. Potential difference is equal to E into dr. So this is 20 into 10 is equal to 200 volt. Minus means what? This is higher, this is lower. So that is why E is positive. Positive E in this direction. So this is our potential difference. Right? So 200 volt is the potential difference between these. If E and dr are given, we can always find out potential difference. If potential difference and dr is given, we can always find out electric field. So this is the relation between electric field, potential, and the distance. Now we will study what is meant by line integral of electric field and how it is related to potential difference.